Today we will learn how to solve the word problems. Now, for example, we are having set A of all the students drinking tea. All the students drinking tea. And you have set B, these are those who drink coffee. Okay, so remember this. A means who are drinking tea, B means who are drinking coffee. Then A drinking tea, B drinking coffee. Always they will give you two different things. So name one as A, name other as B. Okay. Now A intersection B means drinking both. Drinking both tea as well as coffee. And A union B means any one or both. Or we can say at least one. Either of them. या तो चाय या तो coffee. कुछ तो पिएगा. Something the person is drinking. Okay? So A is the number of students who drink tea. B is the number of students who drink coffee. Now A intersection B means only those students who drink both tea also and coffee also. A union B means either they are drinking tea or they are drinking coffee. This will also include drinking both. Means A union B will not contain that person who is not drinking anything. Who does not drink tea, who does not drink coffee either, that person will be complement of A union B, that is A union B dash. So A union B dash means what? Neither of the two. But this thing, if you understand it is and use the De Morgan's law what I have taught you, you can very easily represent. So these terminologies I will put it in the group. You have to copy it down, and then with the help you can solve all the sums. Now say suppose if I say that there are total 90 students in a class. Total 90 students in a class, and out of that 40 drink tea, 20 drink coffee, and 10 drink both. Okay? So there are two ways, and you have to find out how many drink only tea. See, 40 contains even those who are drinking coffee. So if you want, what all they can ask, now what all is given to you. Now given is U, that is a universal set, that is 90. Then given is N of A, that is 40. Then given is N of B, that is 20. And then N of A intersection B is given as 10. Okay? So can you find drinking either A union B using the formula Na plus Nb minus N of A intersection B. Okay? Now if you want to find N of A union B dash, that means not drinking anything. Not drinking anything. So how you will find N of A union B dash? Now you know that N of A union B, any set plus its complement is going to be the universal set. N of A union B dash is equal to U. And you know this You know you total number, so you can get this. So you have to solve using this, the formula method. Second thing what you can do is you can represent with the help of a diagram. Now how to represent with the help of a diagram? The universal set. Now the way total 90 students, so right here 90, write U. Now this is your A, this is your B, and this total shows A union B, and this is your A intersection B. Okay, this part is A intersection B. Now how many students we have taken drinking on tea? 40 are drinking, so this full circle is 40. But what is intersection drinking both is 20. So this part is only A. This part is known as only A. That is this. I'll take another color. That is this part is known as only A, and that will be 40 minus 20, that is 20. And this part will be known as only B. So whatever is B, B minus this 20 will be your this value. So this is how you can write the values. N of A is 40. 20 plus 20, 40. This full is A. But only A is this. That is only drinking tea. Here you get 40 as what? A means those who drink tea. They may be drinking coffee also. But this only A means drinking only tea. And then you can find out the details from this. Show it up in the diagram, and then you will write down whatever you have got. From the figure directly, suppose only A nikalna, you can directly write N of only A, because it is shown over here, shown the working over here, is equal to 20. Okay, so this is how you will solve the word problems. First write down the notes that I will post over there, and then the sums also I will be posting, which you will be seeing. Now we will see the second sum from exercise 1.4, that is the first word problem. Given that in a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink both tea and coffee. You have to find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So first understand the sums, write down the given. Total students is given as U, that is a universal set 125. Let A be the students drinking tea, so N of A is 80. And let B be the number of students drinking coffee, so N of B is 60. Now N of A intersection B means students drinking both tea and coffee, that is 20 given. Now students drinking either tea or coffee is represented by A union B. Now we will first find out A union B with the formula A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. That comes out to be 120. Now students who are not drinking tea or coffee will be complement of A union B. A union B means at least they are drinking something, and what we want to find who are drinking nothing, so it is going to be complement of A union B. So students not drinking tea or coffee is N of A union B dash. Now you know that a set plus its complement is always equal to the universal set. So N of A union B plus N of A union B dash is equal to U. So substitute the values and get that is 5. So 5 students do not drink anything, neither tea nor coffee.